Hello all, welcome back to my channel Talk A Thought by Sherein. So today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe using just few ingredients, which is how to make Oreo ice cream. Hope you all are doing good. So let's move into the video.
Hi, let's start making the recipe of Oreo ice cream. I will introduce the ingredients and the quantity of each. It's a very simple recipe. Most of you will be knowing this recipe already. This is for those of you who had requested me to show the process in a video. Continue watching till the end. Okay, so the first ingredient is fresh cream, which is quantity of 600 ml. Next, what we require is condensed milk of quantity 395 grams. Then we need Oreo biscuits, which is of quantity 133 grams. I used vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. The last one is vanilla essence. Quantity is 1 teaspoon. So first, I'll be transferring the fresh cream into a bowl. Next, let's add the vanilla essence. Now it's time to beat this mixture in low speed until it's blended and we see a ribbon-like texture forming. Let's see how it looks like. Now we have started to see a ribbon-like texture appearing on the mixture. At this stage, we can switch it off. Let's scrape it from the sides. Next, we can add this condensed milk into the mixture. Once again, the quantity is 395 grams. So let's transfer it into the bowl. Once again, we will have to beat this mixture on low speed until all the three ingredients are combined well. So now we have all the three ingredients blended well. That is, blended with the fresh cream. Then we added vanilla essence and later condensed milk. Now the very last ingredient, which is the highlight of this recipe, is to add Oreo biscuits. This biscuits needs to be crushed. There are two ways of crushing this biscuits. Either you can use a roll pin and crush it on the cover itself, or else you can use a Ziploc pouch like this. You can add the biscuits into it and use a roll pin to crush it. And then we can add the mixture into the blended one. Yeah, so now the next step is to add the crushed Oreo biscuits into the mixture. You can even use a mixer to give these biscuits a quick crush. Now let's transfer it. Let's mix all of these together. Now we can transfer all of these into an airtight container. Once it is transferred, we need to pat the mixture to remove any sort of air bubbles. Yes, so now we can freeze this for around 8 hours, and then I'll see you back with how the ice cream looks like.
So yeah, that's all for now. This was the process of making Oreo ice cream. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, then please do subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and also do share it with your family and friends. Also, you can click on the bell icon to get notified for all the future updates from me. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you with my next video. Bye bye. Take care and also do stay safe.